Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Dodge Journey Crossroad all-wheel drive, stock number E1943P. 26,000 miles on this Journey. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Billet silver in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Journey seat 7. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Additional in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Middle row seats with full flap for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Crossroad has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. And 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat. And a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Journey has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Journey, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.